Hey vinyl enthusiasts and music lovers, are you ready to dive into the world of wireless turntables? Have you been wondering which Bluetooth record player will give you the best sound quality and features? Well, you're in luck because today we're counting down the top 7 Bluetooth turntables on the market. I've personally tested each of these models to bring you the most accurate and detailed reviews. So, let's drop the needle and get this party started. Number 7. TANLANIN Vinyl Record Player. Starting our list is the TANLANIN Vinyl Record Player, a budget-friendly option for those just dipping their toes into the vinyl world. This suitcase-style turntable offers a vintage look with modern convenience. When I first unboxed this player, I was impressed by its compact design and built-in speakers. It supports 3 speeds, 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM, which covers most vinyl records you'll encounter. The Bluetooth connectivity is a nice touch, allowing you to stream music from your phone when you're not in the mood for vinyl. I found the pairing process to be straightforward, though the range is limited to about 33 feet. The built-in speakers are adequate for casual listening, but don't expect audiophile quality sound here. They lack bass response and can sound a bit tinny at higher volumes. One feature I appreciated was the USB port for digitizing your vinyl collection. However, the software included is basic, and you might want to use a third-party application for better results. The tone arm is not adjustable, which means you can't fine-tune the tracking force. This could potentially lead to increased wear on your records over time. While testing, I noticed that the platter isn't perfectly level, causing some subtle speed fluctuations. It's not noticeable on most records, but audiophiles might pick up on it during quieter passages. The build quality also feels a bit flimsy, with plastic components that don't inspire confidence in long-term durability. Number 6. TANLANIN Vinyl Record Player with external bookshelf speakers. Moving up a notch, we have the TANLANIN Vinyl Record Player with external bookshelf speakers. This setup aims to provide a more robust audio experience compared to its suitcase counterpart. The turntable itself is similar to the previous model, but the addition of external speakers is meant to elevate the sound quality. The turntable maintains the 3-speed functionality and Bluetooth connectivity of its sibling. The external speakers are a definite upgrade, offering clearer sound and better stereo separation. During my testing, I noticed an improvement in overall audio quality, especially in the mid-range. Vocals and instruments had more presence and detail. However, I did encounter some issues with the Bluetooth connection. There were occasional dropouts, especially when moving around the room with my phone. The range seemed to be less than the advertised 33 feet, which could be frustrating for those who like to control their music from afar. The build quality of the turntable remains a concern. The tone arm still lacks adjustability, and the platter wobble I noticed in the previous model persists here. While the external speakers are an improvement, they still fall short of what you'd get from a dedicated hi-fi system. One positive aspect is the RCA output, which allows you to connect the turntable to your own audio setup. This flexibility is welcome, as it gives you the option to upgrade your speakers in the future. The USB recording function is also present, though it suffers from the same software limitations as the suitcase model. Number 5. SeeYing Turntable Belt Drive Record Player. The SeeYing Turntable Belt Drive Record Player marks a significant step up in quality and features. This model caught my eye with its sleek design and more professional appearance. The belt drive system promises better isolation from motor noise, and I was eager to put it to the test. Right off the bat, I noticed the improved build quality. The plinth feels more substantial, and the tone arm is fully adjustable, allowing for proper setup of tracking force and anti-skate. This level of control is crucial for preserving your vinyl and getting the best sound quality. The included Audio-Technica cartridge is a nice touch, offering good performance out of the box. The Bluetooth connectivity on this model is more reliable than the previous entries. I experienced fewer dropouts and a more consistent connection. The range was also improved, allowing me to control playback from anywhere in my living room. The built-in preamp is switchable, giving you the flexibility to use your own phono stage if desired. Sound quality is where this turntable really shines. The belt drive system delivers a quieter background, allowing more detail to come through. I was impressed by the clarity and warmth of the audio, especially on well-mastered records. The bass response is fuller and more controlled compared to the budget options. One minor gripe I have is with the dust cover. While it's removable, which is great for serious listening sessions, it feels a bit flimsy and prone to scratches. Additionally, while the Bluetooth functionality is improved, audiophiles might still prefer a wired connection for the best possible sound quality. 4. Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT. Audio-Technica is a well-respected name in the audio world, and their AT-LP60XBT doesn't disappoint. This fully automatic belt drive turntable combines ease of use with impressive sound quality. As someone who's tested numerous turntables, I was excited to see how this model would perform. The setup process is a breeze, thanks to the pre-mounted cartridge and automatic operation. Simply press a button, and the tone arm moves into position and lowers onto the record. This feature is particularly appealing for those new to vinyl or anyone who prefers a more hands-off approach. Bluetooth pairing is quick and stable. I was able to connect to various speakers and headphones without any issues. The range is excellent, allowing me to move freely around my apartment without losing connection. The ability to switch between wired and wireless output is convenient, catering to different listening scenarios. Sound quality is where the AT-LP60XBT really shines. The included Audio-Technica cartridge delivers clear, balanced audio across the frequency spectrum. I was particularly impressed by the warmth in the mid-range and the crisp, detailed highs. While it may not match the performance of high-end audiophile turntables, it certainly punches above its weight in this price range. The built-in phono preamp is a nice touch, allowing you to connect directly to powered speakers or a standard line input. I found the sound to be clean and noise-free, though serious audiophiles might still prefer to use an external preamp for even better performance. My only minor complaint is the lack of adjustability in the tone arm. While this contributes to the ease of use, it does mean you can't fine-tune the tracking force or anti-skate. 3. Sony PS-LX310BT. Sony's entry into the Bluetooth turntable market, the PS-LX310BT, is a sleek and feature-packed option that caught my attention with its modern design and user-friendly interface. As I unboxed and set up this turntable, I was immediately impressed by its build quality and attention to detail. The fully automatic operation is a standout feature. With the push of a button, the tone arm lifts, moves into position, and gently lowers onto the record. At the end of the side, it automatically returns to its rest. This level of automation makes vinyl playback as easy as using a CD player, which is perfect for those new to the format or anyone who values convenience. Bluetooth connectivity is robust and reliable. Pairing was quick, and I experienced no dropouts or interference during my testing. The range is impressive, allowing me to move around my home without losing connection. The ability to switch between Bluetooth and wired output via RCA cables offers flexibility for different listening setups. Sound quality is where the Sony PS-LX310BT truly shines. The included Audio-Technica cartridge delivers clear, detailed audio with a well-balanced frequency response. I was particularly impressed by the depth of the soundstage and the clarity in complex musical passages. The belt drive system contributes to a low-noise floor, allowing subtle details in the music to come through. One feature I really appreciated was the gain select switch, which allows you to optimize the output level for different types of music. This helps prevent distortion on bass-heavy records and ensures you're getting the best possible sound quality across various genres. The built-in phono preamp is of good quality, producing clean, noise-free output. However, the option to bypass it and use an external preamp is available for those who want to upgrade their system in the future. Number 2. Andover Audio Spinbase 2 Speaker System. The Andover Audio Spinbase 2 speaker system takes a unique approach to the Bluetooth turntable concept. Rather than being a turntable itself, it's a powered speaker system designed specifically to work with turntables. This innovative design caught my attention, and I was eager to see how it would perform in real-world use. The Spinbase 2 features a sleek, minimalist design that looks great with a variety of turntables. Its compact form factor is impressive considering the power and features packed inside. The heathered fabric wrap and iconic control knob give it a premium feel that would complement any home audio setup. One of the standout features is Andover's patented ISO Groove technology. This clever system allows you to place your turntable directly on top of the Spinbase 2 without worrying about feedback or vibrations affecting playback. In my testing, this worked remarkably well, even with bass-heavy tracks that typically cause issues with integrated turntable speakers. The sound quality from the Spinbase 2 is impressive. The 270-degree driver array creates a wide, immersive soundstage that fills the room. I was particularly impressed by the clarity and separation in the mid-range, which allowed vocals and instruments to shine. The bass response is surprisingly full for such a compact unit, though it won't replace a dedicated subwoofer for those who crave earth-shaking lows. Bluetooth connectivity is seamless and reliable. I had no issues pairing with various devices, and the connection remained stable even when moving around my living space. The ability to stream music wirelessly to the Spinbase 2 adds versatility, making it a great all-in-one audio solution. 1. Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB. Taking the top spot on our list is the Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB, a professional-grade turntable that offers an impressive array of features and exceptional sound quality. As someone who's tested countless turntables, I was excited to put this model through its paces, and it did not disappoint. The AT-LP120XUSB boasts a robust, sturdy construction that immediately instills confidence. The direct drive motor provides excellent speed stability, which is crucial for accurate playback. The S-shaped tone arm is fully adjustable, allowing for precise setup of tracking force, anti-skate, and vertical tracking angle. This level of control is essential for getting the best possible sound from your vinyl and ensuring long-term record preservation. One of the standout features is the USB output, which allows you to easily digitize your vinyl collection. The included Audacity software is powerful and user-friendly, making the process of converting your records to digital files a breeze. I found the resulting digital transfers to be of high quality, capturing the warmth and detail of the original vinyl. The built-in phono preamp is switchable, giving you the flexibility to use the turntable with a wide range of audio systems. In my testing, I found the built-in preamp to be of good quality, producing clean, detailed sound. However, the option to bypass it and use an external preamp is there for those who want to further upgrade their system. Bluetooth connectivity is not built in, but can be added with an optional Bluetooth adapter. While this might seem like a drawback, it actually allows for a cleaner signal path and potentially better sound quality. For those who prioritize audio fidelity over wireless convenience, this is actually a plus. Final thought. And there you have it, folks, our comprehensive review of the top 7 Bluetooth turntables on the market. Whether you're a vinyl newbie or a seasoned audiophile, there's an option here to suit your needs and budget. Remember, the best turntable for you is the one that fits your specific requirements and listening habits. Happy spinning, and may your grooves always be dust-free.